Hey there folks, my name is Jacob Ortega, class of 2021. Over the summer of 2020, I got the opportunity to research AI and its implementation in higher education. I found some different use cases and some different examples that could be applicable at Nichols College. So let's dive in. Let's meet Sam. Sam finished their program at Nichols and was super excited when they offered them a position after graduation. Sam was responsible for handling inquiries that students, parents, or faculty might have regarding Nichols College. Students might request information on programs offered, parents might inquire about financial aid options, and faculty might inquire about contact info for their colleagues. If they can't find it online, they can either find it by sending Sam an email or by calling them. Sam's job is so critical that the school wanted to augment their work so they can focus on handling larger issues. By using an intelligent chatbot that can handle more basic inquiries, we can allow Sam to provide exceptional service to those that the chatbot cannot help. The weight and expectation of handling basic repetitive inquiries is gone now. That sounds great, right? Well, let's see how it could work. So say you're a prospective student, you find yourself on the Nichols homepage, maybe you're a parent, you're just looking for information. So let's search. We've got to go to the top search bar and search for a financial report. And if the website can find it for us, it'll display it, but in this case it can't. So traditionally we would go down to the contact us and find the phone number or the email and contact Sam. But for this use case, we now have a chatbot to help us. So we can go down to the bottom right corner and open the chat. Now we're going to give the chatbot an intent, and the first intent is going to be a greeting, which we're going to say hi or hello there, and that's going to trigger the chatbot. The chatbot's only going to respond if it understands what we're saying. The way that it understands is by being trained, or by trying to understand the context of the intents that we give to it as inputs. The machine will score those intents against a confidence threshold, and if the confidence is high enough, the machine will respond. If the machine consistently scores high confidence thresholds, it will move the user along the automation stack, which will eventually end in the user obtaining the information that they were looking for. And this is way quicker than calling Sam or sending them an email and having them respond. And so as we can see in this example here, the chatbot was able to find us the financial report from 2019 in under about 30 seconds. Let's jump back to the home page and we can try out another example, this time one that needs more intents and more information from the user in order for the chatbot to understand and route them to the correct information. So let's just say I'm a prospective student looking for information on casino management because I'm interested in working for a casino at some point. So I can ask the chatbot. I could actually ask the chatbot about any major that Nichols offers, and it still will be able to guess the intent and locate the information for me so that I get what I'm looking for. The more complex a machine is, the more complex the chatbot is, the more intense it can understand, and the collectively smarter it can get. As we can see here, the chatbot offers to schedule a time with a certain professor for that student so that they get one step closer to finding the program for them. All the while allowing Sam to become a more efficient and critically thinking employee, because now instead of dealing with repetitive information grabs, they can focus on ensuring that the bot is handling the intents and matching them correctly to the students that are inquiring. This allows Sam to also adjust the confidence threshold to rely more on machine learning or more on human input. And if things ever go wrong, that user can be rerouted back to Sam for excellent customer service. In the end, AI creates more valuable candidates, better educated workers, and overall more informed and prepared users to enter the real world and solve real problems.